How to delete a chat in Line. In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete a chat in the Line app. First, open the Line app on your phone. Now go to the Chats tab right here. Find the chat you want to delete by scrolling, or you can also use the search bar right here. Now once you find it, tap and hold the chat conversation like this until a menu appears. Here you can select Delete Chat right here. Tap and delete chat. You will see a confirmation pop-up. Tap Delete to confirm. Like this. And that's it. The chat will be deleted from your Line app. Repeat the same process for the next one like this. Tap and delete chat. Tap and delete again. Super simple, right? Keep in mind, deleting a chat only removes it from your device. It won't delete the conversation from the other person's line. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.